Welcome to this video on natural home remedies for cough relief. If you have been struggling with a persistent cough, you are not alone. Coughing is a common symptom caused by many factors such as colds, allergies, or irritation in the throat. While there is no instant cure for a cough, several natural remedies can help soothe your throat, reduce coughing, and promote faster recovery. In this video, we will explore a variety of easy and effective home remedies that you can try today to feign relief. 1. Understanding your cough. Before we dive into remedies, it is important to understand the type of cough you have. There are two main types, dry cough and wet cough. A dry cough does not produce mucus and often feels like an irritation in the throat. A wet cough produces mucus or phlegm and helps clear your airways. Knowing your cough type can help you choose the best remedy. Coughs can also be caused by postnasal drip, allergies, acid reflux, or infections. If your cough lasts more than 2 weeks or is accompanied by high fever or difficulty breathing, please consult a healthcare professional. 2. Honey for cough relief. Honey is one of the most well-known and effective home remedies for cough. It has natural soothing and antimicrobial properties. Studies have shown that honey can reduce the frequency and severity of coughing, especially in children over 1 year of age and adults. You can take honey in several ways. Take a spoonful of plain honey on an empty stomach to soothe your throat. Mix honey with warm water or herbal tea, such as lemon tea, to ease throat irritation. Add honey to warm milk for a comforting drink before bedtime. Remember, honey should not be given to children under 1 year old. 3. Ginger remedies. Ginger is another powerful natural remedy for coughs. It contains gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. Ginger can help relax the airways and reduce irritation. Here are some ways to use gin. Boil fresh crushed ginger in water to make ginger tea. Drink this 3 to 4 times a day. Add honey and lemon juice to ginger tea for extra soothing effects. Chew a small piece of fresh ginger sprinkled with a little salt throughout the day to reduce coughing. Ginger is especially helpful for dry coughs and sore throats. 4. Saltwater gargle. Saltwater gargling is a simple and effective way to relieve throat irritation and loosen mucus. It can reduce coughing caused by throat inflammation. To prepare a saltwater gargle, mix half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water. Gargle the solution for 30 seconds, then spit it out. Repeat this several times a day as needed. This remedy helps clear irritants from the throat and promotes healing. 5. Herbal teas and natural syrups. Several herbs have been traditionally used to relieve coughs. Marshmallow root tea can soothe the throat due to its mucilage content. Thyme tea has antimicrobial properties and D helps relax the airways. Peppermint tea contains menthol, which opens airways and reduces cough. You can prepare these teas by steeping the dried herbs in hot water for about 10 minutes. Sweeten with honey if desired. Additionally, natural syrups made from combinations of herbs like ivy leaf, marshmallow root, thyme, and aniseed may help shorten the duration of cough. 6. Steam inhalation. Steam inhalation can help relieve a wet cough by loosening mucus in the airways. To do steam inhalation, boil water and pour it into a large bowl. Lean over the bowl with a towel covering your head to trap the steam. Breathe deeply through your nose and mouth for 5 to 10 minutes. Be careful to avoid burns from the hot water. Taking a hot shower or bath to inhale steam also works well. 7. Other natural remedies. Here are some addition. Apple cider vinegar mixed with honey, ginger, cayenne pepper, and water can be taken as a potent homemade cough syrup. This mixture is especially good for dry coughs and sore throats. Carrot and guaco juice acts as a bronchodilator and expectorant, helping to clear phlegm in wet coughs. Using a humidifier or air purifier can keep the air moist and reduce irritation from dry hair, which often worsens coughs. 8. Lifestyle tips for cough relief. Along with remedies, some lifestyle adjustment TS can help. Elevate your head while sleeping to reduce coughing caused by postnasal drip or acid reflux. Avoid irritants such as smoke, strong perfumes, and cold air. Stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids. Rest adequately to support your immune system. Coughs can be uncomfortable and disruptive, but with these natural home remedies, you can find relief and support your recovery. Remember, if your cough persists beyond 2 weeks or worsens, seek medical advice. Dan. Thank you for watching. We hope these remedies help you breathe easier and feel better soon.